The Squirrel and the Puppy. Once, there were two friends, a squirrel and a puppy. They used to live and play together. The squirrel was very sporty and always won game. The squirrel was in high spirits. One day, it started raining heavily. He started doing antics but suddenly lost his balance and fell in the rainwater. He called his friend, the puppy, for help. The puppy came to his rescue. The squirrel climbed on its back and reached a safe place. He thanked his friend for saving his life. Thank you for watching.